You know, folks, you don't have to travel to Bodega Bay to see this type of bird show. In the Alfred Hitchcock-esque from the movie The Birds, where we have our own here in Dallas on the street corner of Forest Lane and Abrams. You have birds on top of birds on top of birds on top of birds. They're in the trees, on phone lines. They're on the traffic lights, traffic signals, and even in the trees. Yep. And there they go. It gets even worse once I get over here. Yes. You know what's even more scarier? A guy driving a car with a broken axle. Look, man, look, see? I get egrets, I believe. I get it happens like around this time each fall. And you know, the weather's getting cold and the birds are about to fly south. They're on the phone lines, they're on power lines. I guess the birds just don't know how much electrical juice is being transmitted even as we speak. I'll tell you even more. And here we are talking about birds. And the A&W root beer restaurant had 10-piece chicken for $10. There it is, right there. But let me hop over here. I don't want to run over. Look at this. Ladies and gentlemen, Alfred Hitchcock. You don't have to travel to San Francisco to see a scary bird show like this. Only thing missing is Tippi Hedren walking out. I'm just waiting right there. There he goes. They're about to fly off here. And then one of them's looking down at me saying, when are we going to unload some bird poop on this man? There they go. And they're about to take off and fly. Whoop. One almost winged me. About to, there they go. There's someone about to fly off. Do I have none? There's a tree over there. Make sure no, one's about to get into a tree. Yes, they're about to take off here. Look at this. Man, what a show. And there they go. I gotta be careful, one may plow into me. Wow. Would you believe? Unbelievable. So there you have it. You, like I said, oh, there it is. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Kind of weird. All these birds are flocking over to Church's Chicken. They don't know what's coming. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I better watch it here. One could attack me. Look at that. There you have it. Birds are going nuts here in Dallas, Texas tonight.